Hey there! Welcome to this YouTube video on getting started with web development. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this video will cover everything you need to know to start building websites and web applications. First things first, let's talk about what web development is. In a nutshell, web development is the process of building and maintaining websites and web applications. This includes everything from designing the layout and functionality of a website to writing the code that makes it all work. Now, let's dive into the key components of web development. There are three main languages you'll need to know. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. This is the foundation of any web page. It defines the structure and content of your website. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. This is used to style and lay out your HTML pages. CSS allows you to control the look and feel of your website, including things like font styles, colors, and layout. JavaScript. This is a programming language used to add interactivity to your website. It allows you to create animations, respond to user input, and more. Together, these three languages form the basis of most modern websites and web applications. So, how do you get started with web development? Here are some steps to follow. Learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are a ton of resources online to help you get started, including YouTube tutorials, online courses, and interactive coding platforms like Codecademy and Free Code Camp. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to learn is by doing, so start building your own projects. Try recreating a simple website or building a small web app. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Get involved in the web development community. Follow blogs and forums, join online communities, and attend meetups or conferences. This is a great way to learn from others and get feedback on your work. Keep learning. Web development is a constantly evolving field, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends. Follow blogs and podcasts, read tech news, and take online courses to continue growing your skills. So that's it. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a web developer. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!